Hey BFF, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting tutorial for you on how to achieve a fuller lips using a lip liner and transfer proof lipstick from Swiss Beauty. Whether you are makeup enthusiast or a beginner, this tutorial is for you, so let's dive right in. Make sure you follow your natural lip line so that it doesn't look odd. As you can see, this lip liner glides well and it is very pigmented. In just one swipe you will get the color. I'm just adding little more color of lip liner inside, and then we will be going to merge this color with lipstick. This lipstick glides well. It suits to all skin tone. It is transfer proof, waterproof, creamy yet matte. And that is about it. So there you have it, fuller lips without using lip fillers. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. Like, share and comment. Bye.